Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder of voicebootcamp.com. In this particular self-study kit of UCCE Advanced Scripting, I'm going to show you how to develop a script that selects skills group based on area code. Now, this was a script that was designed based on one of my students who needed help in developing a script where a skills group would be selected based on portion of their caller ID. So if the caller ID of the person was from the database was from New York, it will select a New York skills group. So the requirement for this particular lab is that we will select skills based on the area code. The script will first check the customer to see if it is an existing customer. And if it is an existing customer, is going to find the phone number of the customer, which is usually 10-digit or saved in the database. And if a match is found, then what we're going to do another database lookup which will contain the area code and the skills group name. So we got one database that contains the customer information and one database that contains only the area code and skills group name. Then second database lookup, if a match is found, a skills group name will be selected and that name will be dynamically applied to the skills group node. So using the skills group node, we will choose a dynamic method of selecting a skills group. So here's my database for the customer. Now this is a database that's taken from the UCCX script. So you got the account number right there and you got their phone number right there. So as you can see, all the phone numbers are 10-digit. So our goal is to obtain the first 3 digits of these numbers. And then once we obtain that, if a match of course is found based on the account number, once we obtain that 3-digit code, then what we're going to do, we're going to dip into another database table which contains the area code and their the skills group name. So these are the skills group name that are already defined in your UCCE skills group. So this is the 2 tables that we're working on. So to establish this, the first thing we need to do is set up a script that communicates with CVP server, because of course we need to collect end user, we need to announce the user to enter their PIN number and collect some digit from them and so on. So we will go ahead and do that. So first thing we do is define the IP address of your media server. This is where the prompts